Hi everyone and welcome to Smart Culture Education. This is the place where we make learning simple, clear and engaging. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you can join us on this journey of mastering maths, science and more.
Two skaters A and B are on a frictionless ice rink. Skater A has a mass of 60 kilograms and is moving at 2.5 meters per second towards skater B, who is stationary and has a mass of 75 kilograms. Calculate the total momentum of the skaters. So what I want to do first is I want to list all the known quantities. Let's start with that. So the mass of skater A is equal to 60 kilograms. This is given. And the mass of skater B is equal to, let me quickly check, the mass of skater B is equal to 75 kilograms. This is also given. Let's have a look at the velocity of skater A. This is also given in the question. It is equal to 2.5 meters per second. Okay, and do we have the velocity of skater B, or the initial velocity of skater B, who is stationary? Stationary means at rest, not moving at all. So the velocity of skater B, the initial velocity will be 0 meters per second. Okay, so now we have all the known quantities written down. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to state the equation for momentum, and you will get 1 mark for this. So the momentum of an object is equal to the product of its mass and its velocity. Now we are going to calculate the total momentum of the skaters. Okay, so I'm going to say the momentum of skater A is equal to the mass of skater A multiplied by the velocity of skater A. Now we've written these values down. So the mass of skater A is equal to 60 and the velocity of skater A is equal to 2.5. What is 60 multiplied by 2.5? That gives us 150. And you have to use the correct unit as well. It's kilograms meters per second. All right, let's move on to skater B. So the momentum of skater B will be equal to the mass, which is equal to 75 multiplied by the velocity, which is equal to 0. So it's going to be 75 multiplied by 0, and anything multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. So this is going to be 0 kilograms meters per second. Okay, now the total momentum is equal to the momentum of skater A plus the momentum of skater B. And we know that the momentum of skater A is equal to 150, and we know that the momentum of skater B is equal to 0. So that means the total momentum will be equal to 150 kilograms meters per second. Let's see what happens now. Skater A collides with skater B. Now they crash. After the collision, the skaters move off together as a single unit. Use the principle of the conservation of momentum to calculate the velocity of the two skaters immediately after the collision. Now, the principle of the conservation of momentum says that the total momentum before the collision is equal to the total momentum after the collision. The momentum will stay conserved. Now, we know that the total momentum before the collision is equal to 150. Now, we want to know the velocity of the skaters after the collision. Okay, so now we are going to expand the momentum after the collision. What will that look like? That will be the mass of object A, of skater A. The momentum after the collision will be the mass of skater A plus the mass of skater B multiplied by the final velocity. Okay, remember, momentum is equal to the mass of an object multiplied by its velocity. And in this case, we have skater A and B that moves forward, or that moves in the moving direction as a unit. So we have to add them together. So skater A and B move off together as a single unit. That is why we have to add their masses together. Okay, so this is going to be an equation with one unknown. The mass of skater A is equal to 60 kilograms. The mass of skater B is equal to 75. What is 60 plus 75? That is equal to 135. So here is the equation that we have to solve. 150 is equal to 135 multiplied by the velocity v. Now, I want to get v alone because I want to solve for v, so I'm going to divide by 135. The 135 above the line and below the line will cancel out, so I'm just left with v, the velocity. Whatever I do on the one side, I have to do on the other side as well. What is 150 divided by 135? That gives me 1.1. That gives me 1.1. So that means The velocity of the two skaters immediately after the collision is equal to 1.1 meters per second.
Thank you for watching today's video on Smart Culture Education. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to stay updated, tap the notification bell so you never miss our next lesson. See you in the next video.